Hello and welcome to MTM. This is an app that allows you to manage time for your meetings, either standard meeting, single session, or multi-session meeting, for example, auditions. In this tutorial we're going to find out about multi-session meetings. So the first thing you need to do is click on End Time and set the end time of your meeting. So for example here 11:40, click on OK. Then you need to set the number of participants who need time allocated. Choose 5 for example, click on OK. And then you need to click on Alarm Settings to set your alarms. So Alarm 1 is the number of minutes before the end of the current session. So let's set it to 4 minutes for example. You can do this by moving the actual alarm. And the transition alarm is the number of minutes required for the transition between one participant to the next. So you could have 50 seconds for example. This is the quick start tutorial, so we'll just click on OK. And now you can click on Start. Once you click on Start, you get a validation window which reminds you of the settings you've just configured. So in this instance your meeting will last 1 hour and 59 minutes. 23 minutes are allocated per participant, and alarm 1 will go off 4 minutes before the end of the time allocated to each participant, with a sound, with no flash, no buzzer, and the transition time between each participant will be triggered with sound, again no flash, no buzzer. Once you're happy with all of this, you click on OK and the jingle goes off to say the meeting has started. So if you look on the left hand side here, you've got 5 wedges because we've chosen 5 participants. So each wedge represents a participant. You've got the countdown of the total amount of the meeting, so there's 1 hour and 58 minutes left, and on the right hand side you've got the current session, so the time allocated to the current participant. Here is 22 minutes and 35 seconds left out of 23 allocated. If you're happy with that, then you just let it run. Otherwise you might want to change some settings. Click on Stop, go back into Alarm Settings, and down here you'll see the alarms that you've set. So if you click on one of them, you can actually change them. You can choose to have them silent or choose a different title, or you could even add a title from your own device. Here you can adjust the sound and the length of your alarm and do an audio test too if you want to. Click on OK. You can do this for the transition alarm too. Change the title, adjust the volume and the length, do an audio test. Click on Add if you want to add a title, and then click on OK. And here on the right hand side you've got different options to set flash or the buzzer, or the buzzer. Now if you set either one of these, they will be triggered for all of these alarms. So you could actually have a silent alarm for all of these, but just have the flash or the buzzer set for these alarms. Once you're happy with all of this, click on OK. And that's it. You've got your session, your current session here, total amount of time left, and the last thing you can set is up here. If you go to End of Meeting, you can set the volume of the alarm that goes off at the end of the meeting and do an audio test. Click OK and you're ready to go. Thank you very much. Bye bye.